But I want to work on this code just a little bit more on the style of the code so that it needs less documentation in the future. I'm going to rename this argument right here to a message. This is naming the variable by scope, and naming this a message clearly identifies this variable as an argument. Whenever I see this variable, I can know this variable is only meaningful within this function, and then it'll disappear after the function is over. I'm also going to implement some const completeness here. I think this will compile. Yep. There's actually a lot to explain when it comes to const completeness. This code is basically forcing a very specific design on this function. By forcing this design at the compiler level, it reduces the amount of documentation that I need to do later to explain how this function works. This const completeness thing will make a little bit more sense once I start writing lots of functions and designing the functions before I actually implement them. But for now, let's worry about the memory viewing rather than the const completeness.